Hi Scorpions, this is your mid-January reading for 2016. Please check your moon signs and also your rising sun signs. Now I've premeditated and pulled out 4 cards for you from the daily guidance from your angel oracle cards by Doreen Virtue and 2 cards from the life purpose oracle cards by Doreen Virtue as well. So this month, it looks like a month where you need to go within yourself and explore yourself and see what your heart truly desires. You also need to be very open and honest with your feelings and trust yourself and go within yourself, which means letting go of your past and releasing and surrendering this month. Also, this is a good month for you to express yourself creatively by doing drawing and paintings and just relaxing and expressing your creative side. Um, I also got the energy healing card for you. So, your energy healing abilities are an important part for you this month as you do a lot of healing. So, let's have a look at your cards for this month. What do you desire? So, you now have the opportunity to write the script according to your heart's true desires. Once you clearly decide upon your true desires and know that you're ready and deserving of them, they'll rush into your life as if by magic. So you really need to do a lot of dreaming this month, fellow Scorpions. You need to think about what your heart truly desires and just go for it because it'll really manifest this month and come true for you. Also, be honest with yourself, look into your heart, and you'll know the truth of the situation. So, you need to be very open and honest this month. You deserve better. Trust your own feelings, even if others don't agree with you. And don't give away your power to others, Scorpions. Be truthful to yourself. Let go of your past this month. The burden of carrying your past around has made you very weary. So it's time to set this burden down. Keep only the lessons and the love and leave everything else behind this month. So your thoughts and feelings about the past are holding you back and you're repeating a pattern because of unfinished emotions from your past. So this card is a sign to forgive and to move on and to stop the painful patterns from happening. It doesn't mean that you need to be with the person you've forgiven. It simply means that you've got to let go of all your toxic feelings and have a lot of peace in your heart. You also need to release and surrender this month. So release your burden and release your worries to the universe. And as you do that, you will find out what your heart truly desires. And that will manifest and come true for you. Creative expressions has also come up for you this month. So your soul longs to express itself creatively. So you might be feeling a bit stuck or blocked. So it's a good for you to engage in art or craft work and have a lot of creative expression happening for you this month because it is through doing your creative expression that you'll blossom. I also got the energy healing card for you this month. So your energy levels are at a peak this month. So you have the ability to heal and have a good energy. So your natural energy healing abilities are also very important for you for your life purpose this month. So you might be wanting to do some meditation or yoga or some other practice that will help you to relax and heal your energies and your energy levels. You might be a little bit overworked or run down, and these yoga and meditation will help you to heal your energy levels. So this is your reading I've done for you for the January reading for you Scorpions. It looks like a really positive month for you, but I think you need to go within deeper into yourself to explore yourself better this month. You need to see what your heart truly desires. You also need to be very open and honest about your feelings and thoughts this month. Think about what you really want and let go of your past and any hurt feelings you might have had. You might have come from a broken relationship or any problems or worries, so you need to give that to your angels and let them take care of you. You need to release and surrender your worries and come out of it. So that's your reading for you, Scorpions. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please subscribe, like, or share, and I'll see you all next month. Thank you. Bye.